You know, I get a lot of questions about cyber insurance and what it covers. In today's video, I'm going to answer the question, does cyber insurance cover hardware costs? Stay tuned and find out. Your organization was recently the victim of a cyber attack. Hackers were able to breach your network and unleashed a vicious malware attack. The resulting damage is so severe that it makes sense to have to replace your computer systems that have been permanently impacted by the malware. Thankfully, your cyber policy includes hardware replacement costs to help cover the expenses to replace your systems. Hardware or computer replacement, also known as bricking, is typically a coverage enhancement which can be added to most cyber insurance policies. If your agent doesn't mention this coverage, make sure you ask them about it. Adding this enhancement covers the replacement cost of technology equipment, such as computers that have been rendered useless due to an attack. Generally speaking, in order for coverage to apply, the attack will have to have caused actual damage to the hardware, not just the encrypted files or of an operating system. Cyber insurance has many coverage options available that can be customized to meet your business needs. If you're looking for quotes or just have general questions about cyber insurance, you can click the link below this video to get in touch with one of our agents, or you can feel free to leave any of your comments or questions in the box below this video as well. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, as we will be discussing all things cyber all month long. We'll see you soon.